We also have wrinkle blur. So if your concern is more on the under eye area, if you have, an eye bags or a dark circles, you can advise to have this one, a wrinkle blur. If you also have some crossfit like lines on this area, you can actually apply this one. It has uh an anti-aging ingredient, which is also acetyl hexapeptide that is commonly known as Botox in a jar. That's why I made actually an experiment out of it with Wrinkle Blur and the Secret Pearl. I actually do mix Secret Pearl and Wrinkle Blur because they have both acetyl hexapeptide ingredients, which is, we call it Botox in a jar. What I do is I mix it, I pump Secret Pearl and then Wrinkle Blur, mix it together, and then I apply it under eye because my concern is actually a dark circles. So it really improves my under eye circles or my dark circles because of that. Because Secret Pearl does have glutathione and anti-aging properties, and same with the Wrinkle Blur. So I leave it overnight and then wash it the following day. So what I did right after Secret Radiance, my last product that I applied every night, I mixed together the Wrinkle Blur and the Secret Pearl and then apply it as my under eye mask. And then I leave it overnight, and then the following day I wash it using cleansing milk. It will improve actually the dark circles under eye. Okay. So the ingredients of it has alpha hydroxy acid that lighten uneven pigment. That's the reason why I apply it. And then I also apply it on my crossfeet, on my laugh line as well. It also has heptapeptides that can stimulate collagen and elastin on our skin. Tetrapeptide, which is can give you more plump and smooth skin, and blurring away fine lines. That's why I apply it until my crossfeet. Okay, and this particular product, which is the acetyl hexapeptide. Okay. So there you are.